Liza, are you helping Daddy put the floor in? Huh? Hi. Are you sitting in the box? Are you helping Daddy with the floor in the kitchen? Hi, Finger Pot Pie. You want to come and look at the camera? You can't get that one out of the way, huh? Oh, boogers, boogers everywhere. We need to wipe your nose, Sicky. There you go. Oh, look at that. Where's some Kleenex? Are you touching the red light? Oh, you are. Okay. Say bye-bye.